Good evening, children. I am yours Mallikarjun sir. Welcome to Success Institute. Please, I request to all subscribe my or your channel, Success channel. Press the bell icon and share your friends. If you are satisfied my classes, please give one like. Especially everybody, you press the bell icon for daily notifications. Okay, today we discuss about reproduction in organisms. Reproduction in organisms. Okay, you all learn from your previous classes in the first year or 10th class, 8th class, biological process. All living organisms are performed. Biological process is there. The mainly biological process are nutrition. Nutrition. And second one is respiration. Respiration. Third one is transportation. Transportation. Next, excretion. And last one, reproduction. Reproduction. These are biological process. Actually, the biological process are actually 5 types. These are actually how many types? 5 types. All living organisms are performed these 5 biological process. First one is, what is that? Nutrition. Second one is respiration. Third one is transportation. Fourth one is excretion. Fifth one is reproduction. Right, in 5 types, this biological process, the first 4 are is very important to living organisms. Why? Because of all living organisms are, they are performed this first biological process must and should. Okay, right, these 4 are which is helps in what is that? The life survive. Life survive and growth. So, what is that? Nutrition, respiration, transportation, excretion. These 4 metabolic activities or biological process are which is helps in survival of life and growth of the living organisms. Okay, last one is there. The 5th one is reproduction. This reproduction is not helps in survival of the life and growth of the living organisms. What is the importance of reproduction? Now we are going to discuss reproduction. What is the importance of reproduction? What is reproduction? Simple. Reproduction is one of the most important and fundamental characteristic of living organisms. It involves the formation of young ones by a grown of the individuals. What is the importance? This is helps in perpetuation of species. Okay, what is that? Reproduction is, it is one of the most important and fundamental characteristics of living organisms. It involves in, what is that? Involves in the formation of young ones by grown up individuals. Grown up individuals. Okay, now we discuss lifespan. What is it? Lifespan. What is lifespan? You know, the period from birth to the natural death of an organism called its lifespan. Okay, the birth to means simple, the living organisms, the period between birth to, what is that? Death. Which type of death? Natural death. Natural death. Now, this period is called, what is that? Lifespan. Now, we can define that lifespan. What is that? The period from birth to the natural death of an organism. It's called, what is that? Lifespan. The lifespan of an organism may be 1 minute to 100 or several thousand years. Several thousand years. Now, simple. What is our lifespan? Lifespan is, what is that? The period from birth to natural, the natural death of an organism called its lifespan. Simple. What is that? The period from birth to natural death. The period from means the period between, okay, what is that? The period between birth to natural death is called, what is that? Lifespan. Okay, some of the living organisms is lifespan. Okay, now you know microorganisms. The microorganism lifespan is very short. Very short means a few minutes. Some of the microorganisms, its lifespan few minutes to few hours. Some of the organisms, few hours to, what's that? Okay, several thousand years. Actually, only okay, what is that? Microorganisms. The microorganism lifespan few minutes to few hours. Some of the organisms, well developed organisms, its lifespan is several thousand years. Like you know, for example, some plants is there, some animals is there. Okay, we take some examples. Yes. Yes. You write. What is that? Organism. Organism. Maximum lifespan. Maximum lifespan. Lifespan. Yes. Now, a few means microorganisms. 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 Okay, its life cycle is already discussed. What is that? A few minutes. A few minutes to few hours. Right. Next second one is, for example, mayfly. It is insect. So its lifespan is only 1 day. 1 day. Okay, you know, butterfly. Its life cycle is 1 to 2 weeks. 1 to 2 weeks. Okay, fruit fly. Its life cycle is 1 month. 1 month. You know, next, which one is we take? Okay, you know, cow life cycle is 25 years. 25 years. Next, crow. Its life cycle 15 years. 15 years. Next, rabbit. 13 years. 13 years. Rat. You know rat? Yes, rat. Its life cycle only 4 years. 4 years. Like. Okay. Next. Horse life cycle is 50 years. Its life cycle is 50 years. And next, eagle. Its life cycle 90 years. 90 years. Next, elephant. Its life cycle 60 years to 75 years. 60 to 75 years. Next, you know, man life cycle is 100 years. Already you know this one. What is that? man life cycle is 100 years. Okay, next, cat. Cat life cycle is simple, 30 to 40 years. 30 to 40 years. Next, parrot. Parrot. Parrot life cycle is 140 years. Important. It is most important. Parrot life cycle 140 years. Tortoise. You know tortoise? Tortoise. Tortoise is 100 to 150 years. 100 to 150 years. Actually, this, okay, now we taking some animals, its life cycles. Actually, okay, now banyan tree is there. The banyan tree life cycle is 200 to 300 years. Peepal tree, its life cycle 2000 to 3000 life cycles. Sorry, lifespan. It's right. The oldest plant is there. Oldest plant is there, and its life cycle 11,300 years. This oldest plant name is, what is that? Simple. Larria tridentata. Larria tridentata. This tree is olded. Okay, what is that? Plant. It's found in Southwest California. You know, California means USA. Its life cycle, very most important point. Okay, now Larria tridentata, its life cycle actually how many years? 11,300 years. You know, peepal tree, its life cycle 2,000 to 3,000 years. You know, redwood plant, its life cycle is 3,000 to 4,000 years. 3,000 to 4,000 years. This is life cycle of the organisms. Simple, very most important. Very short life cycle. Microorganisms, its life cycle very short. Very short means a few minutes to few hours. Okay, the longest, okay, what is that? Lifespan animal, which one is? Tortoise is there. The tortoise is a longest living animal in the universe. That its lifespan is 100 to 150 years. Okay, right. Now we going to discuss reproduction. What is reproduction? Right. Now we discuss what is that? What is reproduction? Carefully listen here. Simple. What is reproduction? Reproduction is a biological process in which organisms produce new young ones or offsprings similar to themselves. What is that? Okay, what is reproduction? Okay, now we can define the reproduction. Reproduction is a biological It is a biological process in which organisms produce young ones, or it is called young one means offsprings. Okay, similar to themselves. This definition of the reproduction. What is reproduction? Simple. Reproduction is a biological process in which organisms produce young ones, okay, similar to themselves. Okay, right? The young ones